Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
All-purpose flour is a versatile and general-use wheat flour. It is milled from hard red wheat or a blend of hard and soft wheats, typically 80-20 ratio. As the name suggests, all-purpose flour is suitable for all types of baked goods such as bread, biscuits, pizza, cookies, muffins, etc.
Take our lead.
Cake flour. Cake flour. The flour with the lowest protein content, 5 to 8%. The relative lack of gluten-forming proteins makes cake flour ideal for tender baked goods, such as cakes, of course, but also biscuits, muffins and scones.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Unless you are making a vanilla cake that needs to look very white in appearance or a cake that needs to be exceptionally tender, like an angel food cake, you can use all-purpose bleached or unbleached flour for all of your cooking and baking needs, unless the recipe calls for a specialty flour.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.